Yes people, welcome to the channel. Chef in a balaclava here. So today we're going to make sweet potatoes in the Ninja Speedy air fryer. It's an all-in-one cooker. So just get a sweet potato, chop it up, bam, done. Yeah, open your air fryer, chuck them in. Remember, this is cooking made simple. Oil, few things, few squirts, lid down, turn it on, go to bake, roast, temperature time, I'll go for 25 minutes, temperature 180, bam, done. So we'll come back to this in a minute to see what's going for the rest of the meal. So like I say, this channel's about easy cooking, and today I just can't be bothered cooking anything like putting a chicken breast in, so we're going to this, a Chinese style chicken curry where you can just whack in the microwave for 10 minutes. It's a chicken curry, bam, in there, done, like that, as so. Curly fries, they'll go in there when it gets to about 16 minutes, and then so that's when we'll be back. See, I could have lied about using that because it's going on YouTube and you should be cooking fresh, and it's not fresh, it's microwave meal, but it is what it is. Its channel is all about easy cooking, easy stuff. Sometimes there'll be fresh stuff and other times just to be finger, but I'm actually a qualified chef and I can make good meals, so stay tuned and you will get some good meals, some good cakes, some mint shortbread. But when you're dealing with a mental health person, you gotta fucking get what you're given, or just watch whatever. Some people might like it, some people might not. Is what it is. 18 minutes. We'll start putting the curly fries in now. Yeah, curly fries. Yeah, see as well, when you're using an air fryer, you just need to use like silicone things, because if you use metal in there, it'll dingy it up. Oh no, not ready yet. Put it over there. Yeah, just leave it for a sec. Yeah, it's called mental health cooking. It should be called the mental health cooking channel. Everyone who watches it's got mental health. We're all mental health people. Fuck Rishi Sunak. Fuck the government. Anyway, back to the video in hand. 16 minutes. I'm going to open it up. It's already been separated. Get the curly fries, as so. Just want to put them on the other side because they'll be wet. If they're out the freezer, you don't want to get them all wet and soggy, you see. Right, close that. About 15 minutes, 52. We'll be back in a minute. I forgot to mention, you should never put metal in the microwave. It's a bad idea. So you should put it in a plastic pot and don't put metal in. Health and safety first. We like health and safety in the chef in the balaclava's kitchen. Oh, what forgot? 10 minutes left for the sweet potatoes and the curly fries. I'm going to set that now for 5 minutes. So in 9 minutes we'll have food. Be right back. 7:23. Let's open it up a butcher's. Oh, that's what we're looking like now. Right. Not even put oil on the chips. You don't have to. That's all you need to do. You don't have to put oil on. Put oil on the sweet potatoes to crisp them up. Make it a bit more crispy. Yeah, fucking put a bit of oil on. Just go. Yay, done. Let's roll. Right, 1:33. Ooh. curly fries and sweet potato in the Speedy Ninja air fryer. And we've got the chicken curry in here. Should be all nice and hot now. There you go. So let's serve it up and we'll show you what it's like. Right, I'll just show you. So I should get these. There you go. See it so far. Oh, we're back. So there it is. There's the sweet potatoes and the curly fries. Add the salt and pepper. You've got the curry there. A bit of the old what's that? Sweet pickle. You have to pick these out pretty fast as well to clean it, and then you get this. I know, just do that. Spray loads of stuff in it like that. Once it's still hot, just give it a wipe round. Just makes it a bit easier for later on. And you have to take that thing out as well. Put it underneath, give it a... Oh shit, that's hot, very hot. But you be careful. Give it a wipe out, put that in the bin, and then it just makes it easier for cleaning later. So let's show you the curry. There you go, curry on top, a few pieces of chicken, a bit of curry, there you go. Dinner done. And you smooth the empty thing, just give it a rinse. Just makes it easier later on for cleaning. So if you've enjoyed the video, can you please subscribe to the channel, and there will be better videos than this, but it's just getting started. Try some of this dog food. The dog, nice. Alright, anyway, see you later. Subscribe, nice one.